All are welcome. It is a short video about 5 famous mathematicians in India.
Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was a brilliant mathematician and astronomer. He wrote the book Brahmagupta Siddhanta. He was the first mathematician to clearly explain the rules of using zero and negative numbers. His work made significant contributions to algebra and arithmetics. Aryabhatta was one of the greatest mathematicians and astronomers of ancient India. He wrote the famous book Aryabhatiya, which contains important ideas in mathematics and astronomy. He gave an accurate approximation of the value of pi and introduced important concepts in trigonometry. He also explained that the earth rotates on its own axis.
Bhaskara II, also known as Bhaskaracharya, was one of India's greatest mathematicians. His famous book included Leelavati and Bijaganita. He made remarkable contributions to algebra, arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, and early concepts of calculus. His works are still admired today. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a self-taught mathematical genius. He made extraordinary contributions to number theory, infinite series, continued fractions, and mathematical analysis. His discoveries continue to inspire mathematicians around the world. India celebrates his birthday 22 December as National Mathematics Day. Harish Chandra was a world famous Indian mathematician and physicist. He made outstanding contributions to group theory and representation theory, which are important areas of modern mathematics and theoretical physics. His research has had a lasting impact on mathematics. Voice given by L. Sugadan and Bhavika Lakshmi, a 6th standard students in Kollam.